Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are having some snow crab legs and some Dungeness crab legs, and I have some garlic butter Perrier to the side. So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So hey y'all, I've been craving these since this morning. Let's get it in. Let's get it in. Woo! So child, I was over there messing with that setup over there. I got hungry. And I said, we'll figure that out later. I cannot. I wanted these ever since 10 o'clock this morning. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. I'm gonna put the butter in the front. We're gonna eat a little bit, and then I'm gonna tell y'all how KIONA had went off on me. Child would never disrespect my mama like that. Don't y'all be out y'all disrespecting your mamas, okay? First of all, everybody that's caught in that snowstorm, did y'all see I think it was in Virginia. They stuck on 95 something. It has been stuck for the last 24 hours. Y'all families okay? If you live in Virginia? Family, friends, y'all had anybody stuck out there? That is scary. And you know I'm one of those people that don't like to stop at the gas station. I just know I would probably be the one probably running out of gas. Cause I always be like, I got enough to get to the such and such. I got enough to get there. Then I forget when I get home. That is scary. They probably got babies in the car with them. Somebody probably pregnant. I hope nobody's in labor. I just think about all that kind of stuff. And it just came out of nowhere. Didn't the storm just come out of nowhere? I'm like, God, dog, but it's very beautiful. I know it's dangerous and stuff, but you know, being a Floridian, you just look at stuff like that and you just be in awe. Like, I just want to go check it out and then come back home. I don't want to drive in it. And they probably feel the same way about Florida. Like, I'll go visit, but I don't want to live there. But, oh. Hold on. I felt something around my mouth. Well, anyway. Then I said I was going to eat. And then talk. What was that? Oh, I thought that was KIONA. But you heard KIONA yelling at me this morning?
About what?
Because I was in praise and worship on the treadmill.
You were what?
I was in praise and worship on the treadmill.
You were in praise and worship?
Yeah, I was singing.
Isn't God omnipotent?
And then she came in there and was like, hey, Mom! I was like...
Right.
I didn't even hear my.
You without you opening your mouth.
Yes, but I just, you know, when you in praise and worship, and that's what made me go 30 minutes longer. I was on the zone, baby. Can you understand? You're gonna have to sing to a level that doesn't wake me up. I ain't know she was asleep.
And why would you nibble on the cookie like this?
Did I nibble on it, baby? I nibbled on it?
Yeah, just.
Cause I was supposed to be having no cookies and I just wanted to taste it.
Yeah, I heard. You know, I know what y'all was yelling about.
Yeah, no, hollering at me. Baby, that playlist was banging. Y'all tell me, what is a must on the playlist? I'm gonna create a connectors playlist. Cause baby, that thing this morning, when that lady said this is your season, I acted a fool this morning. You hear me? I did. I acted a fool. Y'all tell me what has to be on your playlist. Man, for real, shout out to all of y'all that has been telling me the stuff y'all been doing. I'm just so proud of y'all and happy, and I just thought about it. I'm like, if everybody is winning around you, there is no room for envy, jealousy, competition, none of that. Because you want everybody to elevate. Because when everybody elevates, you continuously elevate. You know? And I just was thinking about it. And I just got the chills this morning. If everybody is giving their best and doing their best, they want the best for everybody else, that is a beautiful and magical circle to be around. You don't understand. Who was that told me they survived breast cancer and oh my God, was it Virginia? I want to say it was Virginia. And she said she started, you know, working out and stuff and trying to get her muscle gain and stuff like that back. I was like, it was so amazing. I mean, it's a lot of y'all have different stories. That's why I wanted to create a different page for us, because I want to acknowledge as much as I can and as many as I can. I know I've missed a lot of people on their different journeys and stuff, but I really do. But yeah, so that's what happened this morning, child. I had got up. Y'all know I get up around 3. I don't know why I get up at around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, but it's productive, so that's good. And I went ahead and did my little walk, and I forgot, you put on them earphones and you start playing that music. So y'all need to tell me, what is a must on your playlist? Like, it has to be on there. This morning I listened to gospel. I don't listen to gospel every morning, but this morning I did. And it did not disappoint. That thing made me go extra 30 minutes. I don't probably do nothing but 30 minutes. But then Tamika told me she's going 2 days, 3 days a week. I said, okay, Mika. Okay, girl. Let me step my game up. Oh, and y'all, I bet y'all said, girl, you ain't stopped talking since you sat down. I know. This some little meats anyway. I'm gonna go get us some real ones. Hopefully got some. But see how you made me mess up my train of thought? What I finna tell you? Oh, I put the links. I put a lot of links. I'm trying to build my Amazon store up. And anything that you see in the videos, I'm gonna try and put it in the description box. So someone asked me about the lights that was in the gym. I put it in the description box. I put the lights that you need, the kit, and the home pod thing. Now, what else somebody asked me? So anything you guys ask me about, I'm gonna have it in the description box. So you'll see what it is, and if you don't want to order it from that place, you'll know exactly what it is, you know. So I'm trying to get that going. So that's what I was working on today. So whatever you see me have or use or do or whatever, I'm gonna share it. But baby, like I said, we're gonna be all successful in this thing. What else? Alright, all these good. It might be little, but is that meat in there? I love you, G. I work your plan to adore you. Boy, if I could sing, y'all be in trouble. You hear me? If I could sing, y'all would be in trouble. If you out there can sing and you just sitting on that talent, give it to me, girl. Give it to me. Okay, they snapping. They might be meat, but they snapping. Garlic is good. I miss it. Let me tell you another song that's good for the playlist. Y'all remember Diddy's song? This isn't gospel. What is it? Hello. Good morning. That is a good song to jam to. Hello, good morning. Tell me what the lick read. I like that one too. Well. Yeah, I was in there getting it in. No. So I gotta go get some more, what's it called? The cards. You be recording so much, you be done forgot. I got one with a lot of space and stuff on it. I got footage in my phone that I need to share as well. Kid, I told Kid y'all was talking trash. He told me, no, I want them to win. I just want to hold them accountable. I'm sorry, baby. No worry, man. Oh, thank y'all for watching the video last night. I know it was late. And the chorizo, it tastes like I said, it tastes like I wouldn't even know it wasn't meat. You see what I'm saying? A lot of people said they were gonna try it. Like, I don't think you would know that it's not meat. Dungeness be having all the meat. Let me get this garlic. And then I need to, like, I already use unsalted butter, right? And garlic powder, onion powder, you know, stuff like that. But I'm gonna try and create another sauce that doesn't have so much sodium in it. Just play around with some different ones, you know. I know a lot of people eat their crabs with I think hot sauce and vinegar. Child, I did not know hot sauce had that much salt in it. I don't know why I didn't, but I just didn't. I didn't realize it had like 420, well, the one I eat. 420 milligrams of sodium in a tablespoon. Child, I be pouring it. Baby, I turned the bottle upside down. I might be having to stick to lemon juice. Even in the lemon juice, I put hot sauce. Maybe I don't have to put that much. Oh, you gonna give me my meat now. I've been waiting all day for this. Yeah. My hands messy. Cupid in your bow. Try to be Valentine's Day by the time we look up. KIONA say Target already got the Valentine's stuff up. Valentine's Day stuff. But they already got the stuff in the store. I like that that day. Was everybody be so romantic and stuff? You know? They be so creative. People be getting engaged and stuff. That's it. Lord have mercy. What is on the end of that? I said I was gonna save a couple of these cups so I can what time is it? Dog. The time go by so fast. Let me finish my snow crab. Let me finish this one right here, and then I'll keep that one for the lighting and stuff and the sound. But yeah, so y'all let me know. I should have asked y'all if y'all what y'all listen to, but I guess I'll figure that out once you put your favorite song to listen to during your workouts. And I know if you're doing 2-a-days or doing more than, you know, close to an hour, you gotta have a playlist, cause woo, unless you're listening to audiobooks too. That is a good idea. Listening to audiobooks. I didn't even think about that. Well, thank y'all so much for. Why this hat make me look like I don't have on no lash. Well, I don't have on any lashes, but it looks like my eyes are like, oh, that's the shadow of the hat. Okay. Now you can see my my bare face. Ooh. Alright, thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.